In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create characters in PolyBuzz. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz, then click the official PolyBuzz website from the results. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create Character option and select it. If any ads or pop-ups appear, simply close them so you can focus on the builder. On the character page, click Create to begin. The first thing you'll do is upload an avatar. Click Upload, choose a clear image from your device and confirm. A square image with a centered face usually looks best. Make sure you have the right to use the image and keep file sizes reasonable so the upload is quick. Next, give your character a name. Aim for something short, descriptive, and easy to remember so others instantly understand the role. Choose a gender that fits your concept. Select male if that's what you want, or pick any option that aligns with the character's identity. Write a concise intro that explains who the character is and how it helps. One sentence is perfect, for example, describing expertise, tone, and the kind of tasks it handles. Then add a friendly greeting your character will use to start conversations. Keep it warm, professional, and on-brand, so every chat opens the right way. Decide on permissions. Choose public if you want others to find and use your character, or private if you're still refining it. Now add tags to make the character easier to discover and to steer behavior. Click Add Tag, then select options under Character Origin, Identity, Personality, and Story. Choose tags that genuinely match your concept rather than picking everything so the character stays consistent. Click Save to record your progress. In the background field, add brief guidelines for behavior, traits, teaching style, or constraints. Use short phrases separated by semicolons to keep it tidy and scannable. For dialogue style, describe how the character should sound, then click Add Dialogue Style, type your style note, and save again. This helps keep responses consistent across conversations. Move to character voice and choose a voice that matches the personality. If previews are available, listen before you decide. A clear, steady voice typically works well for tutorials, while a more energetic sound might suit creative roles. When everything looks good, click Create a Character. After a moment of processing, your new PolyBuzz character is ready to use. That's it. You've set up an avatar, defined its role, refined its tone, and published it with confidence.